In this video, I'll show you how to use the split view feature in your tawk.to inbox. Your inbox gives you two ways to manage conversations: the compact view and the full view. Each layout is designed to fit a different working style, so you can switch between them whenever you like. First, log into your tawk.to account. Make sure you've selected the correct property and then click Inbox in the top menu. To switch to compact view, click Show Compact List in the top right corner of your inbox. In compact view, the screen is divided into two sections. On the left, you'll see a list of all your conversations with a short preview of each one. On the right, the full conversation appears for whichever chat you've selected. This makes it easy to scan through multiple chats, while keeping one open for quick replies. It's especially helpful if you're handling several visitors at the same time, because you can jump between conversations without losing track. If you'd rather focus on one chat at a time, switch back to the full view, also known as the normal view. This shows all conversations in a single column, giving you more space to focus on each message. To return to full view, just click Show Full List. The best part is that you can toggle between compact and full view at any time. Many agents prefer compact view for multitasking, and full view for when they want a distraction-free workspace. So whether you're juggling multiple chats or focusing on one visitor, the split view feature makes it easy to work in the way that suits you best. For more tutorials, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.